Today's quick demo, we're going to go over how to create an offer that has a max use of 1 per order. And in order to do that, we'll jump into the Offers tab. We'll click Add an Offer. Let's say for this example, we're going to do 25% off one item. And the percent off item is going to be 25%. We'll say that we're giving this to any hot sauce in the store. We'll have our customers automatically consider the offer in the cart. And then this is the tab that really means a lot to us in terms of restrictions. We want to limit this to 1 use per order. We'll click Save. We use our Preview on Site tool. We can check to make sure that this is working. Add the green ghost to the cart, add the blazing saddle to the cart. And as you can see, I'm getting savings of 25% off one item of the green ghost here for a savings of $2.50. So that offer did work. And that's how easy it is to restrict an offer to one particular item within the cart.